Hello, dear students. I hope you all are keeping well. I am Narissa Bryan, your Class 5 Social Studies teacher. Children, in previous part, we learned about weather and climate, factors that affect weather, instrument used to measure weather conditions, general type of climate and major climatic region of the world. Today we are going to learn about the climate of Pakistan. Pakistan is located approximately between 35° north and 25° north. Since it is close to the Tropic of Cancer, the sun rays fall directly on it. Children, this is the Tropic of Cancer, and here we have continent of Asia, and you all know that Pakistan is in the continent of Asia. Pakistan records mostly high temperatures, and it is counted among the hotter countries of the world. The climate varies between the physical regions of Pakistan. There are 4 different physical regions of Pakistan. Number 1 is mountainous regions, number 2 desert region, number 3 coastal region, and number 4 plateau region. The mountainous regions. The mountainous regions are located at high altitudes. In these areas, winter are extremely cold and extend from October to April. The temperature in these regions often stays below freezing 0°C. Precipitation or rainfall is also in the form of snow. Summer temperatures are warm. From May to August are the summer months. There is a good rainfall in summer which reduces the heat. The hottest months are June and July. People living in this region mostly enjoy their life in summer season. Students, the next region we have plains. In this region, summers are not only hot but long, lasting from March to October. The hottest months are June and July, in which the temperature is 45°C. Dust storms and thunderstorms are common. Often very hot winds called Loo blow. There is not much rainfall in this region. Farmers have to irrigate their crops. Students, this is the map of climatic zone of Pakistan. They have arid, semi-arid, humid, and highland climate. On this map you can see the first part, which is the A part, is arid climate. In this climatic zone they have hot summer, mild winter, warm summer, mild winter, warm summer, and cool winter. The B part is the semi-arid zone. In this, hot summer and mild winter they have, and warm summer and cool winter. The C indicates the humid zone. In this zone, the climate is hot summer, mild winter, warm summer and cool winter. The last one, the D part, is highland. In highland, the temperature is warm to cold summer and cool to cold winter. In arid climate is experienced in southwestern Balochistan and the southeastern desert. It is markedly dry and hot. Hot dusty winds prevail almost continuously from mid-May to mid-September. Most of the scanty rainfall in southwestern Balochistan take place during the winter season. In the southeastern desert, summer monsoons bring little rainfall. Extreme heat, dryness, and dust storms are the main features of this arid climate. Lowland climate or semi-arid to arid. In this region includes the whole of the Indus Plain except the coastal areas. Most part of the Indus Plain lie at the western end of the tropical monsoon zone. It has arid and extreme climate with hot summers, cool winters and summer monsoon rainfall. The amount of rainfall differs from north to south. Coastal climate, or we can say humid climate. The region includes the southern coastal strip comprising of the Indus Delta, Karachi and the whole of the Makran coast. The climate is dominated by sea breezes throughout the year. The next region is desert region. In the desert region, it seldom rains. Summers are hot and dry with hot and dusty winds blowing throughout the year. In summer, the temperature in the desert regions goes over 50 degrees Celsius. Winters are extreme with the temperature going below 0 degree Celsius. Children, now we have coastal region. In the coastal region, there is little rainfall. The temperature is mild both in summer and winter. Winter is pleasant but is very short, extending from December to February. Summer lasts from April to October. The last region here we have is plateau region. In plateau region, there is hot summer and mild winter. Summer lasts from April to October with temperature going over 40 degrees Celsius. Pakistan receives monsoon rains from July to September, but these are not very heavy. Change in climate affects the way we live. Some of the changes are clothes we wear in winter and the clothes we wear in summer. There are other effects also, children, as with the climate we have change in the food we eat, the games we play, or even in the occupations. Climate also affects the agriculture greatly. Cultivation of certain crops depends on the right amount of rainfall, sunshine, and suitable temperature. Kharif crops need strong sunshine and warm temperature of summer. The Kharif crops are generally planted in June and harvested in October. Rice, maize, cotton, and groundnuts are example of Kharif crops. Rabi crops sown in winter need cooler temperature and less rainfall. They are generally planted in November and harvested in April. Wheat, barley, pea, and gram are example of Rabi crops. Children, when we have change in climate, it causes harm to our lives. Here is a list of some impacts of flooding in Pakistan. When we have heavy rainfalls, then we have in some areas of our country they suffer flood, and in that we have some of the impacts. We have human loss, property loss, affects the major roads, disruption of air, train, bus services, spread of waterborne communicable diseases, communication breakdown, electricity supply cut off, economic and social disruption, increase in air or water pollution. We have many others also, but there are some which I have highlighted. People living in the plains also lost their lives in the extreme summer temperatures due to dehydration and heart strokes. Similarly, in the mountainous regions, temperature drop to below freezing in winter. People can die of extreme cold. Sometimes great destruction is caused by avalanches and landslides. Extreme cold climate can also harmfully affect the transport. Sometimes heavy snow blocks the roads. Fog or storm can jam flight schedules and also road and rail transport. Student, this was your lesson which we have to continue about the climate and the changes we have in Pakistan due to the climatic change. Now you have your home task. Answer the following questions. Name the different climatic regions of Pakistan. Describe any two regions in detail. Number 3. How change in climate affects people's lives. Number 4. List the harm caused by the climate to our lives. Students, do this homework and all the previous homework in your social studies copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework. Dear children, take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you.